Hey, I'm Kathy Roberts. I'm the Tidy Tutor, and this is Head Start to the Holidays. Now, if you don't know what this is all about, it's an online meeting October, November, and December. And also, when you register, you will get put into a private Facebook group only for those who are working on getting a head start to the holidays. Did you ever hear the phrase, if you're failing to plan, then you're planning to fail? And we know that's true because year after year we say, next year it's going to be different. Well, guess what? I'm giving you a way for that to be really true this year. Not only are we going to have the greatest holiday season we have ever had, but also when January 1st comes and you say, this year it's going to be different, this year I'm going to get organized, guess what? You would have set yourself up so that you absolutely will. All you have to do is click the link below and you will be able to get started right now and also register for our Head Start to the Holiday series. I can't wait to see you on the inside.